Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the charging speed test comparison between the Mi 11X device versus Poco F3 GT device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare these both phones. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the software updates as well and after using for long time as well between these both phones. Let's see which phone charges faster. And during this time, I'll try to write down the battery percentage for every 15 minutes and for every 50% battery gets filled as well. How much time it actually takes to fill. And the Poco F3 GT has got 67 watts charger and with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and whereas the Mi 11X device which has got the 4500 mAh of battery capacity in this device and which has got the 33 watts fast charging. That's what I'm trying to use at this moment. And right now both phones are exactly 1% of the battery capacity. As you can see, it's clearly 1%. And let's see which phone will be charging faster when the battery percentage is exactly 1%. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And right now let me need to connect to the charging adapter at this moment, and let me need to start at same time the charging speed. Right now both phones are connected to the plug adapter, friends. Let me need to start at same time the stopwatch and this one. So let's click at same time. Right now you can see both phones are charging at this moment exactly right now, so it's kind of 1% in the beginning of starting the test. Again I'll be back after maybe close to 15 minutes of time. Again after 15 minutes we'll be able to check what is happening with the charging temperatures, charging percentage between this both phones. So in the beginning, don't worry about the temperatures, about 32 degrees Celsius and kind of 30 degrees Celsius in the beginning of starting the test. So I can be back after maybe 15 minutes, then we can actually check what is happening with the overall temperatures between these both phones and how much percentage it can actually charge using the 61 watts charger and using 33 watts fast charging supporting. Again I'll be back after 15 minutes. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 15 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures in both phones. It's of 35 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius, not bad. So you can totally understand the Poco F3 GT will definitely increase high temperatures. But right now let me need to check what is the battery percentage, how much it is. In this phone, it reached to 50% in the Poco F3 GT, and in the Mi 11X device it reached to 36%, as you can see. You can see inside the battery statistics as well. So 51%, 50% and 36% in terms of the battery charging. So Poco F3 GT reached to 50% as well in the 15 minutes of time. And it is the temperature, look, you can see inside the temperature battery application. So 34 degrees Celsius in the Mi 11X device and 39 degrees Celsius in the Poco F3 GT. The Poco F3 GT seems to be slightly getting high temperatures detected, friends, at this moment. And let me need to write down the readings at this point. So I'll try to write down the readings. Mi 11X is of. So right now as you can see friends, the charge time is about close to 30 minutes of time. Let's check the charging percentage, what it is in both phones by looking at the battery statistics. So you can see the battery statistics which is about 70% and 86%. The Mi 11X device charges 70% and 86% in the Poco F3 GT, not bad. So let me need to write down the readings, 70% and 86%. After 30 minutes of charging both phones continuously. But let's take a look at the temperatures. What is happening with the temperatures? It's about 39 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. I think both are maintaining same. But let me need to refresh the settings application and go to the options. 40 degrees, 39 degrees. So Mi 11X also increasing high temperatures. You can clearly see, friends. So Mi 11X device and the Poco F3 GT, both phones increasing high temperatures at this moment. Clearly. So 40 Mi 11X device and 39 degrees. So this for the first 30 minutes of time. Again I'll be back after close to 45 minutes. So then we can actually understand what is happening. Let's see whether the Poco F3 GT will charge 100% or not below that kind of time. So right now as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 42 minutes of time. In the 42 minutes of time, the Poco F3 GT charged to I think close to 99%. Let me show you the battery percentage in the statistics. Let's go to the battery and we can actually check the temperatures as well. 99% and 92%, as you can see. Both phones are there charged. And the temperatures you can see 34 degrees and 35 degrees, not bad. So Mi 11X also having slightly high temperatures. But overall, in the charging speed, you can clearly see, friends, the Poco F3 GT, 99% for the first 43 minutes of time, still it's charging slightly. So from 99 to 100%, it will take definitely some time. So sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes, sometimes 4 minutes. So it's kind of totally random, friends. That's kind of annoying thing. But the Mi 11X device takes about close to 10 to 15 minutes to come from 99 to 100%. 10 to 15 minutes sometimes in the Mi 11X device. So this kind of totally unpredictable how much time it actually takes. So still it's showing 99% charged only in the Poco F3 GT. As you can clearly see what is happening between these both phones, Mi 11X and the Poco F3 GT. So let's see if it's how much more time the phone gonna take to charge fully. So right now, as you can see, friends, we did get close to 45 minutes of time. In the 45 minutes, you may think the Poco F3 GT might have charged to 100%, but that's not. It did not charge, still showing 99% only. Because last 1% will take lot of time. As you can see, friends, right now. So still 99, now just now it charged to 100%, exactly, just now we got the message saying 100% charged, and the Poco F3 GT took about 45 minutes of time, close to 45. So I wanted to write down the readings, 45 minutes close. So sometimes 45 minutes, sometimes 46 minutes of time the Poco F3 GT will take. And the Mi Linux device right now, I think it's about 94%, 95% at this moment. I think, as you can see, just now it increased 95, but before it was 94% for 45 minutes. So I can be back after maybe fully charged. Let's see how much more time the Mi Linux device to take fully charged to 100%. So that's what going to be really interesting, friends. I can be back after some time. As you can clearly see, friends, right now the time is about 57 minutes of time. The Mi Linux device charged to, I think, exactly 99%, but still it did not charge to 100%. Because as I said, from 99 to 100%, this phone gonna take a lot of time. So sometimes, as I said, it takes maybe 60 minutes, sometimes more than 1 hour of time as well, the Mi Linux device. Let's say this time how much time the Mi Linux device takes to charge to 100%. Right now the Poco F3 GT, no need to worry, the phone is completely charged. So no problem at all, no doubt. So I'll try to keep this phone side. And let's see, friends, how much more time the Mi Linux device phone takes to charge 100% of the battery capacity. So if you don't count that last 100%, if you try to count only 99%, then the phone can charge within close to 50 minutes of time. Yes, 50 or 53 minutes of time, but last 1% only takes about 10 to 15 minutes of time. So I'm going to be back when the phone gets close to 100% of the battery capacity. Friends, finally the Mi Linux device charged to 100% exactly. The Mi Linux device 100%. You can clearly see, friends, right now. So this is the total time the phone took, I think close to 61 minutes of time the Realme, the Mi Linux device took about to charge, not the Realme, Mi Linux device, 61 minutes to charge 100% and 45 minutes in the Poco F3 GT. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the charging speed test. I think you got understand what is my point of explaining. The main reason is because the Mi Linux and the Poco F3 GT, the both phones can actually charge to 99% very fast. But from 99 to 100%, the Poco F3 GT took about, I think, close to 4 to 5 minutes sometimes, and 10 to 15 minutes sometimes in the Mi Linux device. That is where these both phones are actually struggling to get that last percentage feel. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Maybe that might be the reason why, even while I'm doing the training test as well, from 100 to 99%, it will take long time for these phones to drain. Yes, for example, sometimes 20 minutes screen on time I'll be getting from that first 1% is draining from 100 to 99%. Maybe this might be another reason why as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.